my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anaya, and if you are new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as y'all can tell by today's title, girl, I'm starting this new thing where I test out trendy crochet projects or tutorials, whatever. I've been seeing these crochet ruffle flip-flops all over TikTok, Instagram. The original creator I seen doing it was Late Crochet, and I seen her pattern first out of everybody's, so that's who I'm gonna give credit to. I've been seeing them. I got 2 pairs. I'm gonna do me a pair, I'm gonna do my mom a pair, and we gonna see what they give, and we gonna see if they tea. I'm doing it so you don't have to, because if it's not tea, then you don't have to make it. If y'all know any patterns or have any tutorials, or if you writing a pattern, or if your mama writing a pattern, somebody you know, and y'all want me to test it out, this would be the time to do it, because I'm about to start doing a weekly recreating crochet projects, viral projects, whatever you want to call it, girl. I don't know. We're gonna be making these crochet ruffle flip-flops. Y'all know I used to be a ruffle girl down, kind of chilled with the ruffles. I got these from Dollar Tree. If I like them, I'm gonna go back to Dollar Tree and get some more pairs, and I'm gonna make this my summer staple because I love a good flip-flop. Look how these flip-flops have the little flowers on, I mean leaves. They was just made for me. They're just real tea. I'm not gonna lie, it looked like, from what I seen, the smaller the slipper, the cuter the ruffles be looking to me. Personal preference, I don't know, so we'll see. And y'all already know the drill. Before we even get into today's video, if you are a returning craft bestie, put a pink heart, and if you're a new craft bestie, put a yellow heart. And hey girl, I think I might do this color. I don't know, I kind of want to, I wasn't able to find solid color ones, so I had to get the ones with the designs on them, and I feel like that's throwing it off. Will this go together? Y'all think that's gonna be cute? I'm gonna keep it simple and just use my 5mm. I'll link the tutorial down below. I'm not watching a tutorial because I feel like it looks like it's not rocket science. I'm about to go ahead and slip stitch all the way around. I gotta lock in right quick. Let me focus. Give me a second. Girl, it felt like it's a new crochet project that go viral every other week, every other month. Like, it's something new every other day, and I just love it. Because I remember when I was a beginner crocheter, girl, it wasn't really nothing to make, I'm not gonna lie, other than bag. Girl, look at my hand. It wasn't nothing but bags, hats. That's why I don't like making ruffle hats no more, because I wore them out. I feel like everybody started crocheting at the peak of a crochet trend, and the peak of my crochet trend was crochet bags, and then it came around to hats. Okay, so I went ahead and single crocheted all across, and I tried it on and I like how it looked. So let's go ahead and do ruffles. I know my favorite way to do ruffles is it's real flimsy. Favorite way to do ruffles is a treble crochet, triple crochet, whatever you want to call it. That's what I'm gonna be doing. Switch hooks. I'm gonna use my 5.50. I'm gonna do about 3 to 4 treble crochets into each stitch. Girl, I think that's more than 4. This is giving like a good beginner project though. After I do this, I'm just about done, huh? This is what it's looking like so far. I don't know how y'all do dramatic ruffles with this, because this is kind of, it's like an odd position you have to be in to crochet. I don't know how y'all doing them dramatic ruffles. Anytime I'm feeling lazy though, I just upsize my hook and do less ruffles with less triple crochets, and just do a bigger hook. It works all the same. So I wanted to tell y'all, I'm no longer gonna be doing long form content. I don't even think y'all would consider what I do long form content. I feel like I create better when I do short form now, and I'm able to do more for y'all. I feel like me doing short form is it's gonna be way better. Rather that be me sitting down like I am now, just talking to y'all while I'm doing like a specific project or finishing up a project, or just, you know, I feel like it aligns better with me. And I'm just not a long form content girl, like a long video girly. I tried doing it for y'all and I love y'all down, but I gotta put me first, Lucius. I gotta put me first. So I'll definitely be doing more of these, and more just like, what am I working on? We're getting back into our tutorial bag, your girl. So y'all just bear with me. We're gonna be trying out new editing styles, new content. Ruffles take me out the game, honey. Ruffles do me in. I just don't think I would like them if they were bigger ruffles. I think I should downsize my hook. I don't know, I think I'm overthinking it. I think I should just shut up and finish. So we finished the ruffles on one flip-flop. They're cute. I will say they look weird when you're looking at them from like this angle, but when you put them on your feet, They cute. I can't even lie. They're cute. I like them. Be mindful of your hook size. Be mindful of how many ruffles you do. I probably would do 3 ruffles because I am making me another pair of these because these could be my new little staple. And I used to love little flip-flops like this when I was little. I'm gonna do a black outline because I feel like I don't know what other color I would do. I don't want to do nothing that I probably wouldn't wear. So I'm just going to do black to play it safe. I'm going to use my 5mm hook to do this. It didn't take that long. The ruffles is probably what's going to take you the longest. But even then, it's not that bad. Y'all know the outline ruffles is my favorite thing to do. This is a good crochet project.
Something about the way that you talk to me, even when you're not around. I feel you, boy. I feel you, boy. Tangled in your love and your energy. Perhaps it was the way that you smile. I see you, boy. Oh, I need you, boy. 'Cause I've been waiting my whole life to find.
As y'all can see, I had started doing the outline of the ruffle and I don't like it, so we're gonna frog it. We're gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna get some solid color flip-flops and we'll do like the outline next time. For the most part, the solid color ones is cute too, so I'm about to go ahead and do the other one. I don't know if I'm gonna do my mom's in this video because I want to show her mine's before I make hers, because do you even like it? Solid color is cute. And plus, like, if you think about it, the flip-flop already got like the print on it and stuff, so the black just was kind of throwing it off. It probably would have looked cute with white, but girl, I don't even know how often I'm gonna wear these, so I'm not really trying to go all out for them. I'm gonna repeat the same process again. Let's go ahead and do this all over again. I got the flip-flop on right now. It's actually really comfortable. These might be like, you know how we all got like them little throw-on shoes, like, okay, you gotta get something out the car, you gotta go run to the store right quick. These might be like my throw-on flip-flops. I like how they look. I really do like them. I think the solid color is cute. Then you gotta remember certain patterns and like certain stuff, especially when you add in a ruffle, less is more. It probably would have been cute if I would have double stranded my yarn. I've been on like a double stranded yarn look, real heavy. Like, look at these pouches I just made. This has nothing to do with this video, but I want to show y'all because I made these cute pouches and they double stranded, and I already filmed a tutorial. So if you watching this video, you should go watch that video and make you a pouch. Yeah, so next time I'm gonna get some solid ones and then do like the double stranded yarn. I feel like that'll be real cute. I've been seeing mixed reviews on these, and some people saying they like them, some people saying it was ugly, some people saying X, Y, and Z. I feel like I said, it depends on the color, it depends on the ruffle, it depends on the shoe size. And not only that, also like the crocheter as well. Sometimes the stuff we make is not ugly. Sometimes it really do be user's error. That's me being real, because some of the stuff I be making sometimes it be ugly. But girl, I'm working on so many cute crochet projects right now. This is like a good downtime though. I'm gonna save what I gotta save for when I finish both of them. But so far, grand reveal. Oh, this is so cute, girl. I'm gonna add clips of me walking around looking real tea, and my toes not painted, so don't say nothing. If you say something, I'm gonna come and get you. But they look so cute. You know, I had to bring out to get my little final reviews, my little final thoughts, comments, and concerns. It don't work, but it's for the vibes, it's for the aesthetics. I really like them. Can't wait to make my mom's pair. I already know she gonna see mine and she gonna fall in love. I'm most likely going to get the plain ones because I feel like it'll look real cute plain. But I don't mind the print that's in the back because I feel like it gives like real summer, real tea, and y'all know I love plants, so it just add on to that. And blue is not too, blue kind of look good on me. I can't even lie. I tried them on and I was kind of shocked. I really do like them. My thoughts, comments, and concerns now. I definitely feel like just play it by eye because not all of them need the little extra ruffles and the outline. just play it by eye. I like the ones that's the less dramatic ruffles because I feel like they just look real cute and dainty and just real tea. But you know, that's personal preference. I really like them. Do I see myself making these again? Girl, yes. I'm probably gonna make 10 pairs of these. I'm not gonna lie. Kind of sad that I found out about this and it's literally July. Summer, we got a few more weeks and it's gonna be fall, but y'all know I love fall. I'm a fall baby. As far as making them, I definitely, if you can, like, if you really stare, this one has more ruffles than this one does. So I definitely would say count how many single crochets you do around the flip-flop part so that your ruffles look equal, like they look even. You don't give like, oh, you got more ruffles on one side and not a lot on the other side. As far as like patterning and tutorials and beginner friendly, intermediate, all that, this is definitely like the best beginner project if you want to get into like just making stuff other than hats. If you want to get out your comfort zone and make something, I definitely recommend this project. It's Craft Bestie approved. It is what it is, girl. I'm about to go for a walk and wear these now. Give me like a little blue outfit. I'm already working on something else that will probably go real cute with these, so I'm gonna have to get some more and make some more. The pattern, the color schemes, the possibilities, all that for this project, you gotta give 10s where 10s is due, and 10s is due. Well, like a cute little French tip, girl, y'all should definitely make y'all some of these, and I hope y'all like this little video. We definitely gonna be doing more of these because I got a big crochet to-do list and I'm working on a lot of whips right now. Well, if y'all know some projects or y'all have some patterns or anything y'all want me to try out and it's recreating or just y'all watching me make projects, I don't know, girl, crocheting viral trends, I don't know, so you don't have to, send it to me, girl. I'll do it, I'll test it out, and I'm gonna tell y'all the truth because y'all already know the drill. I'm about to go, girl. This was real fun and I love you, and you know we go together what? Real bad kisses, and I'm gonna see you when I see you, girl. When I see you, you better answer that phone. Oh, and before I end this video, I will rate the project out of 5 stars. Really 10s across the board. 10s. And if you made it this far into the video, drop a yarn ball because I do be reading the comments and I do be responding. So bye, bestie.